Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to make an API request on Shopify. Before we start, if you want to try Shopify for just $1, you can find the link in the description. Make sure to check it out. To begin, open your Shopify dashboard. This is the main homepage for your Shopify store. On the left side of the screen, you will see a menu with all the key sections. These include Home, Orders, Products, Customers, Content, Analytics, Marketing, and Discounts. Below those, under Sales Channels, you will see Online Store and Apps. At the very bottom, you will find Settings. First, click on Settings. This will take you to a new page where you will see all the different options related to your store's settings. On the left side, there are categories like General, Plan, Billing, Users and Permissions, Payments, Checkouts, Customer Accounts, Shipping and Delivery, and more. Next, scroll down and click on Apps and Sales Channels. This will show you all the applications that are currently connected to your store. At the top of this section, you will see an option that says Develop Apps. Go ahead and click on Develop Apps. Once you are in the Develop Apps section, you will see a page with a few options. If you have not yet enabled custom app development, you will need to do that first. Click on Allow Custom App Development when prompted. Confirm this action when Shopify asks for your approval. Once custom app development is enabled, click on the Create an App button. Shopify will now ask you to name your app. For this example, I will name it Tutorial. You can choose any name that suits your purpose. Once you have entered a name, click on Create App. Shopify will now create the app for you. This may take a few moments. Once the app is ready, you will be taken to the apps page. On this page, you will see a section on the left side called API Credentials. Click on API Credentials to open it. Here, you will find your API key. The API key is a unique identifier that allows you to interact with your Shopify store programmatically. You can use this key to make API requests and connect external tools or software to your store. That is how you can create an app and access your API key on Shopify. If you want to try Shopify for just $1, remember to check the link in the description. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.